Welcome everyone to a professional DevOps learning channel with DevOps engineer Luis. In today's video, we'll be learning about how to set time zones, dates, and time. Time date CTL lists time zones, lists all the time zones information available. Sudo date -s day, month, year plus time sets time and date of the server. Sets the time and date of the server. Time date CTL set time zone of your choice. Sets the time zone to wherever time it is around you. Cal displays the calendar. The cal displays the calendar of the current month. Cal year displays the calendar of the current year. Now let's go to Mobile Xterm to practice. Now we are in Mobile Xterm. Let's do our first command, which is time date CTL list time zones. Now we've listed all the different time zones available. Now let's find the time zone that I am currently in. Here it is, Dubai. So now that we found it, we can do escape, shift ZZ, and now we're back to typing. Let's do sudo time date CTL sudo date CTL, my bad, sudo date -s. Today is 24th 09 2024, and the time is 6:27. Now with set, we just need to add the plus. Now it's set. Now we need to do sudo time date CTL. Sudo time date CTL. Set time zone. No space. Then the time zone. Asia / Dubai. Now it's been set. Let's check it by saying date. That would tell us that it's 6:28 point. And that's the correct time for me right now. Now let's do cal. This shows us the calendar of the current month we're in. Currently we're in September. Now let's do cal year. Now let's check cal year to see if it's let's check the command. So first you type cal, then you type your year of your choice, or the year you're currently in. Cal 2024, that's my choice. And it shows you the calendar of each month that is in cal, and it highlights which month you're currently in, September 24. Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it down in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video as you continue your DevOps learning journey with DevOps Luis. Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it down in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video as you continue your DevOps learning journey with DevOps Luis.